Oh, yo. So, oh, yo. Welcome on back with another stream. So, can you guys hear me? Stop. Slowly. I don't have. So, today we are going to be making the codes. So, today we are going to be making the codes. Sorry, stop. I'm back. Yeah, so we are going to make like redeemable codes today. We're going to vending machine. So vaporizers. There isn't any answer. Can edit. Oh. Oh. First we are going to make just the UI for the code. Then comes the boring part, the coding. And they take that much time. But they iOS game. Great question. I could make the codes UI different, just part of the set. Bottom. Buttons. Codes. Final. For now. Uh, like 3. Yeah, it drops today. Yeah. I worked on this like so long ago. I forgot how. So add a actually private job. That thing doesn't work. Oh, where stuff is. Nice. But drops in. Right. Done. So, eight. Try ace. Fully. Haven't. Going to make it. Could be. Bro, tell me just concentrating you. Yeah, so I think the audio is fucked up. Stream. Yes. Half of the stuff that I say doesn't even get recognized. First. Fuck. So. Something like this. No, it's not the audio. I have a... what is this in English? Like an audio... I don't know what this is. So like, it doesn't record my audio if I'm talking silently. That's the thing. So I'm going to adjust it a bit. Something like... Yes, something like this. No. Oh. Alright. It's great. Yes, noise suppression. That's the word. So, redeem code. I need to require the... I'm just going to copy it from another... I don't have it here. Up. Message module. I need. Pose module. Module. Functions. To keep this shit organized. As a wise man once said. Redeem code. Local. It's not here. Stuff. Local codes. Frame equals script.parent. Redeem text box. Frame dot. Code text box. Parts to access UI. What do you mean, parts? Oh, fuck. I'm not using parts. Access UI. I don't know what you mean. So local enter button main frame dot button. Can redeem equals false, then return and redeem. No. What the fuck? All this. No, it's not that thing. I'm going to fix these. It's just the camera. For the scenes. Cameras. Yeah. I'm going to fix those a bit later. Just want to make the code UI work first. So, local entered text equals entered, but no, redeem text bugs the text. um Yes, and now we are going to fire this to this server to check. Or actually, I could do the like a check on the client if that code exists. So it's not going to put a lot of pressure maybe on the server, or like I'm not going to fire remote events just for nothing. So we can have a shared module. Module codes list. Module that codes list. Solely reward 250 juice box. Oh, local codes list. Where again that replicate storage that modules that codes list. If codes list text. Message module that message module. Yes, just the message. All right. Dovi. Going to add this to the data store too. Data store. And events. Player events that code interact fire server redeem. Functions. So so we do a check on the client, and so we do a check on the client. So if the code exists, just we are going to fire an event to redeem it. And on the server, we should do another check. So local code. Oh, we could just do the same shit. Yes. Oops. Yes. Forgot to enter text. Code. Code. Found. So then I'm just going to copy this. We need the data manager. Data manager. Data manager that change table value. Layer codes. Or just codes. All right. Codes. And code. Mount true. And a function give reward player code. Local reward codes list. Oops. Reward if type of reward number. No, forgot how to do this. No. Oh shit. Wait, I need to look up. There's just some stuff that I so rarely use that I forgot how to use it, so check type. Oh shit, yes. Type like this. Yes, probably. I barely use this shit, to be honest. So, if number, then it's probably just juice box, the currency. So data manager that change value layer to box rewards and add So I think this should work, but wait, where are the... No, these are for the party. I don't know where the fuck... Oh, I'm trying to make the return button work, but I realized that we don't even need that because you're just clicking here. Nice. Can actually move the entire thing just bit to the center. Yes. Yes. And we can test print type. Actually, we don't need a type code. So it should work. Yes, I didn't even know how to use the type of or type. I think I used it like 3 times. I don't know. I barely used it. I needed to check on the dev forum. Why no live? And I made the prism map because I don't want to spoiler everything about the game. But actually, you guys will be able to see some gameplay from some YouTubers of the game, like a week before release. Yeah, going to be cool. So, let's just... Why I didn't get any error? That's strange. What the fuck? Because I forgot to require the module, dumbass. Nice. Codes. And module. Nice. So, codes. Yes, incorrect code. So let's try Toli. Correct code. What the fuck? Was this? Table that finds works with strings. How the fuck do I check a table values name? What? I would like to use it, so like I want to save some memory space, so I want to find this name in the table. But wait, I'm going to print codes list. Going to try if table that finds codes list and entered text, then print. Because like I'm pretty sure I have used this. The codes list entered text. I believe it worked. That's strange. Yes, I could put the data inside the module, but trying to save some memory. I would want to find this. Not this. Fuck. Codes list. Codes module. Oh shit. Fuck, I just... so this shit actually works, but... Fuck. Yes. Codes list. Fucking codes list. Shit. I was trying to find it in the module. Like the module, not in this table. Forgot to put the codes list there. So now it should work. Yes, works. Found code, totally. No. I did the same. Bit late for me to code, to be honest. Remove these. Codes list. I completely forgot at this. Nice. Works. Like, this is what you meant. I don't know. So, slowly. Oh, I could also add another check. So, works, and now what we can do, oops, frame list codes module. So now we can do, I'm going to do a separate check because I want to have different error messages. So if player equals game the player, if layer dot codes enter text dot value was false, then and else code already redeemed. And on the server we need the same exact shit. Code lists and copy this and codes that value equals false. code. That's it. Can I be a code? Alright. Yes, but this is going to be the last code I'm going to add from the chat. Tyler. You want it with small letters or uppercase? What's it called? Yes, potato 2. Potato. This is going to be with small letters. Potato. Hey, this. Alright. Going to add this to the table. So, modules, codes, list. So, so, logic-wise, everything works. So now I just need to make a... Actually, I could just reuse this shit from the other place. I have a notification set up there. It's a message module. Because you guys won't see this. Not going to switch the screen. This will take a few seconds. Going like this. So since I haven't had a type in these variables, so what we are going to do, if not type, so if you don't have this value, then we'll just keep the error template. Notification sound. Game. Oops. Game. Sound effects. Sound effects. Other notification sound. Sound effects. Notification sounds. And on the client, what we are going to do is call a function notification, or no, client reward. So we are going to set up a function which will give us a notification. I stopped updating Custom Car Tycoon because I moved on to this game. It's still going to get bug fixes in the future, but I don't think it's going to get like bigger updates. Code. So client part entered text, and from this server, actually we just need this rewards and message module that message you got and reward. Actually, well, reward text equals reward if type reward number, then rewards reward text equals reward like this. $700 is a lot. Well, I'm sorry, but it's not going to get like big updates like what it used. Oh shit, I should probably move the chat here. You guys can't really see much. It's not going to get any bigger updates. Like, I don't want to work on it because yeah, I worked on it for like 9 months, I think, and it was enough, I think. I could. Did I print? Yes. Also, do I have a? The fuck is this? Shop. No. Shop. No, I need. Can I get early access to the new game? Like, there will be an early access, but it will be only for a few YouTubers. Or, I don't know if I'm going to do a tester application. Or I don't know. Right now I have 8 testers, I think. So I don't really need more testers. So yeah. Look, just because you played Custom Car Tycoon that much, just because of that I can't make you like a tester. Like, it would be very unfair. But if there will be a testing application, then you can apply on the Discord. So where was I? So what type of rewards would there be? Either juice box or just else it's going to be a cosmetic. How do I add cosmetics? Wait, customize this. I need this. Why do you want access to the game? So, uh, and we are just going to insert the reward. So, everything works, I think. Yeah, so yeah, let's test this. I'm going to What do you mean my coding is beautiful? Like look at this. Look at this. What the fuck? At least it's better than it was like a year ago. You remember? Like right now. Actually, when we made Liar's game, after that I started adding these to the codes and yes, it was such an improvement. So codes. Yes, fully code is redeemed. Let's try this. Enter incorrect code. Fully code already redeemed. So Dovey, you got 150. Wait, I think the fuck. Yes, because forgot to add this. So yes, Liar's game mentioned. So yes, what I wanted to add is shit, I closed that game file. Game. Sound effects. Sound effects currency. This is going to be good. Like this. So, in the codes module, client reward, if, oops, sound effect, what the fuck, oops, oh. Services, SFX, game that sound service that sound effects, SFX that other that currency got play. Look, I'm not going to be able to give you early access. Sorry, like it wouldn't be fair to like all of the other people. But the game will release in like 3 weeks, so you don't need to wait so long. So let's try Joey. Yes. Hey. Tyler. 5. Didn't get a notification. Yes, because my dumbass forgot to add the notification template. Yes, Shopping Mayhem. Yes, that's actually a great game. I used to play that too, like a lot. And that the data store in that game. Oh shit, that the data store. I remember we had to reset we had to reset data like 3 times. Yes, and everyone lost their data and I lost every player. Actually, let me check. Does it have any players? No, doesn't have any. Yes, the data store. I need to check it after the stream. Actually, I could check it in the stream. The data store is... It was so damn complicated. I don't even know what you did, Tommy. Like, you made the system so it worked with like the number. So like, I don't know, number 35 was, I don't know, coins. 37 was equipped card. And that shit. Oh, I don't even want to remember that. Wait, I will check it. I'm just going to make this shit work. And not here, this place, and error message module, message UA, notif template, error GUI template. I'm going to add the other code. And this one, reward, what the fuck is it called? Customize assets, yes. And should work, I think. Oops, I need to make an icon for that item. Just a sec. There's the fly. Customizing hats. One. Like this. Export as cache the key brown. Nice. Mm. Upload, upload. Yes, and which module is it? Store item info. And the image, and it's a pet. Heading course for 1 hour. Bro, just leave me alone. Just stop. But it works at least. Wait, I need to check if the cosmetics were, then I can finally move on. I think. Release. I don't know. Like um hmm. Yes, I mean I can just put nil. But wait, I think nil takes up more space, maybe, in memory. Let me look this up. Yes, I'm going to change that. Thanks. I don't know why. Actually, I don't even know why I have. Okay, you didn't see nothing. So, let's check my inventory. Cache the king. Nice. Errors, no errors. That's good. Yes. It's fucking works. Nice. Nice. So we can finally move on. So I'm going to open Shopping Mayhem and check the data store, how it looks like. Yes, nil is nothing, but it takes up memory too, like not a lot, but it takes up some memory. Or I could just actually wait. What I could do, know what? I will fix that shit later. I don't wanna do that right now. Going to save and all right. Just going to play. We have some nostalgia. What the fuck? Yes, the pet system. This is the only game that has pets, actually, from every game I've made. And to be honest, this pet system was actually good for a first try. Unequip all. Yeah, this shit is actually good. Yes, the OG UI. Ah, I get such nostalgia from this. To be honest, this game was. Yes, this is not Catch the Fly. We're just checking this game's data store in a moment. Actually, I might remake this game in the future. The concept of this game was just so good. Yes, I might remake this game. Yeah, with super stickers, yeah. That was peak. This was the first simulator I have probably released, or no, it was Scratch the Ticket. What UI? So, data store. Data store pets, bad data store pets, data store backup data store. Let's check this. What the fuck? And Tommy, to be honest, this is what you called an effective system. What the fuck is this? Like, seriously, what the fuck? Yes, what is this? Yes, this is Tommy's effective data store code. This. And just imagine removing every comments. The amount of time you would need to figure out 19, like what 19 means. Oh, the fuck. Adding codes, I'm going to show it in a minute. I just went back to this old game. Show you guys the the data store. What the Jesus. What? It gets worse the more I scroll. What the fuck? I don't want to see that shit. Jeez. Phew. I I forgot about this. So wait, if I understand correctly, so tell me what you did is you set up a changed function for every single value in the player to save a session data. Ah, so it's actually so performance effective. Uh, I'm going to show the codes. Don't worry, just give me a minute. Data store pets. Pet stats. Hmm. This isn't actually that bad. This is the current data store. This is for the pets, and this is the current data store. Yes, I think you made this dummy. I think. Alright, this is better, but this shit. What the fuck is this? Like, alright. I'm going to go back to catch the fly. Oof. Jeez. Yes, the session data was smart, but it wasn't really performance efficient. You don't think you made that one? Well, guess what? I don't know how I could make that one because I didn't even know shit about data stores. So it was probably made by you. So, uh, Chloe Gaming. So this is what I meant by codes. Like you can enter a code, potato, enter, you get 250. Wait. Currency. List. Know what this is? Strategy. For some reason, reward text. Dumbass. Forgot to change that. I'm going to add another code just to test this. Data store template. Release. And I'm going to change the value of these. So 250. If there will be like 10 codes, you could get 2.5k. So maybe let's say 150, 150 will be 200 because potato catch the king, it's accessory. So currency, cosmetics. Where's the template? Release. Shit. Codes list. Release. I don't know. 100. Not much. I would like to give you a code, but it's not even released yet, and I already have 5 codes. You know what? I'm going to add last one from the chat. But seriously, this is the last one, so give me a code name. I'm going to add it. This will be the last one. Also, so after this, we are going to start modeling the vending machine. Chloe. Alright, Chloe. Going to give you million. No. 100. Chloe. So that's it, every code. Whereas I need to send something to cache. Actually, I need to open the game file and I need to add the codes data there too. I don't know exactly what debugging features profile service has, but just in case I'm going to add it there too. So, I'm going to open a Blender until I can't open the place. Nice. Let's try again, I guess. And it opened. Strange. A bit. So, modules. Oh shit. I forgot to save the game. No. Fuck. I closed the studio and I clicked on Don't save. Fuck. Oh shit. Now that's... Um, yeah, I could make the codes work like that, but I'm just going to keep it like this. I don't know. It's... I use the system like for the codes in every game I had this system. Oh shit. Oh shit. Now that's... I'm going to add the codes. Oh, I don't know when I saved the game, to be honest. So I'm going to save, close. So if the data store has the glowy code, if it doesn't have the glow... Cache the king is the last code. Ooh, what codes did I add after Cache the king? Oh, it. I had release and glowy. Yeah, so remember to save the game before you close it. I mean, to be honest, this isn't too bad. Like, when I worked on a custom car tycoon, there were times when I imported like 60 models from Blender, like set them up, and my studio, or actually not, I had a studio update, and for some stupid reason, when you click on update in studio, it just closes it and doesn't save. I lost, I don't know, 4 hours of progress that day. That was worse than this. So codes, release, glowy, what, 100? And I don't even remember what I did. Yes, this reward text. Publish. Yes, there is an autosave feature, or you probably have team, what is it called? Team create. Team create enabled, because for team create you need to be online, so it saves all the time by itself. But if there is a studio update and like you get a notification like here, the top right corner, and if you click on it without saving, then Roblox just closes by itself and updates the studio. I don't know why they didn't add a save feature or like an auto save before you click on it. Yeah, but that's shit. So We can move on to modeling, or I can start modeling the vending machine or add the badges. Actually, you know what? I will try to make a poll on YouTube. I don't know. At least I will know how to use this feature, so. How do you make a poll? Yes. Alright, I think you guys can vote on what you guys will want. Are you planning to have testers for the game? There are testers already. Like 8 testers, 9, I don't know exactly. So I don't need any more testers. We need more vids. Yes, there will be more videos. I'm just working on the game right now. Actually, when Catch the Fly will release, I will make a video about it. It's not going to be a devlog like what I used to make. It will be like how it's not going to show the process of me actually making the stuff, just like looking back at it, like how it was made. Devlogs like Danny. No. Devlogs like Danny. I don't think Danny is the only one who made devlogs. Yes, the process is the best, but I didn't record anything. That's the thing. It's not going to be a boring video. It's going to be about like going back like 4 months, 5 months, or when I made the last update to Custom Car Tycoon, and after that, like what other games I tried to make, and how I came up with this idea for the game. It's going to have some development parts in the video. It's not going to be like what I made for Custom Car Tycoon. Yes, I got to agree. Yes, his devlogs were yes. His devlogs were best on YouTube, to be honest. Video about that car game. There is already 4, I think. I don't know exactly how much. There are 4 devlogs, I think. The game will be released, yes, by the start of September, 150%. 300%. 3 a.m. What the fuck? Then, right. Bye bye. Sleep well. The game will release like early August. So my plan right now is, so the game is like it's done. The game is done. I could release this tomorrow. Like even the game, I could show. I can show something from the game. I don't want to spoiler it too much. I'm going to show the how the game starts and stuff. So let's see the votes. So adding badges. All right. I'm going to work on the badges. Wait, I got to rename the title. And badges. So I will close Blender and switch to Roblox Studio. So right now, so yes, I forgot to say, so like school starts on 11th of August. For me, it starts in September. Wait. I didn't know that there are places where school starts that early, actually. But my plans, so right now, my plans for release is I'm going to do some polishing today and a bit tomorrow, and I'm going to start making the video probably tomorrow. And yeah, I can make the video in like a week, and while I'm going to make the video, there will be a few YouTubers who will have early access to the game, and you will be able to see some videos on it on YouTube. So I'm going to make the game, or not the game, the video, like next week, like probably the whole next week is going to be making the video, and after that I'm going to make a few more stuff, record stuff for the release trailer, and it's going to release maybe around August 5th, I think. Summer break for me is like 9 weeks, I think. Yes, around 9. What YouTubers? Currently there are 2 YouTubers who accepted to, like, or 2 YouTubers who are interested in being part of the early access. One of them is Catch the King, and the other is Grave. Yes, Grave. I've also reached out to a few other YouTubers, but yeah, I didn't get a response from them yet. I got ignored. But yeah, I'm going to reach out to a few more YouTubers that I think would be interested. I'm thinking like 4 YouTubers will be interested in total, and their videos will probably go out a week before release through Discord. I don't really like to send emails. I don't even read minds. So like, why would someone that is a YouTuber with, let's say, I don't know, 100k subs read his emails? Like, he gets so much, probably daily. So yeah, I reached out through Discord. I think there is a better chance to get a response on Discord than on email. Just a sec. Actually, wait, I might be able to get Davey Plays to try out the game. One of his moderators responded. So guys, I need to talk with him about this. Going to take a few minutes. Just a sec, guys. I'm sorry to interrupt the stream like this. Yes, I can show some gameplay. I just need to respond to him on Discord. I'm sorry about that, but I just noticed that he messaged me. So, I'm back. Sorry for that. Yes, I can show you some gameplay. I'm going to show it in studio. I'm not going to join the game. Going to disable this, and game settings, server modules, game settings, family home. So, I will need to mute the music in the game because it's a placeholder and probably copyrighted. I'm not going to risk that. Yeah, so when you join the game, I'm going to vote on classic. So when you are playing alone, like me right now, you can't vote on PvP or PvE, so you will just get this screen. And what the fuck is... Uh, yes. Forgot to add cash the king's crown in the cosmetic assets. Doesn't hats, cash the king's crown. All right. So, it should work. So the game starts. Yeah, so this is an AI fly right now. So like flies around. The game is a bit laggy right now because I'm streaming. Yeah, you can, I don't know, throw something at it. What the the fly just broke the the railing. It fell through the ground. Nice. Yeah, so you didn't see nothing. There are still a few bugs in the game. Yeah, these will get fixed. Yeah. That's probably all the gameplay I can show. Alright, bye bye. Sleep well. So, I'm just going to add a few badges and yeah. I think I'm going to end the stream after. So, Flip on some. So first I'm going to add the badges for the wins. So I need to add a new value. Data store template. I'm going to add it in the leader stats. Wins 0. And whenever you win in the game handler, where is it? This function. So this part of the code is very messy. Didn't make it very clean yet. So yes, and here data manager dot change value player wins 1 ads. This should work. Oops. So Carson code. No, I didn't add any Carson code. This is the welcome badge. I'm going to add it here. Or no, this could get very messy after time. So I'm going to add it here. Badge giver badge handler module. Going to require this. Local badge handler module require game that server script service that badge handler module. So function module dot check wins badge win badges amount, then ID is copy this, I think. Which one is the Which one is the badge ID? No, that's a great question. Not, I'm just going to copy the asset ID and we will see. Good luck. You will have your own Catch the Fly game. So, for 50, 100, 1000. Player. If player dot leader stats dot wins dot value value dot amount, then and wait, I need this services stuff functions and ps dot use, how do I check? User heads patch async player dot user user ID table val dot ID, oops, if and not, then I can move the award badge, but I don't really care, so events table val dot ID nice. So that works, I think. I don't know if I should trust my coding skills. So ragdoll script. It's not here. Interact events. Maybe. No. I could add ragdoll script. Exactly what I need. Nice. really, yeah, steal a game. Yeah, that's a new trend. But the problem with trend games is, uh, each of them is the same. Like every single trend game, like they don't have any creativity, and yeah, it's just it's just the same game, and in a week, 2 week, I don't know, in like 2 3 weeks, there is just so many games from a trend when a trend starts. So like it's, yeah, I wouldn't want to, like, personally, I wouldn't really make trend games. I'm going to add level re level um badges. I'm going to throw together quickly an icon for them. Uh, um, I forgot what font I used. Mm, and or it looks like shit. 5. Going to use luckiest guy. That's great. Sorry that I'm not showing this. Going to take a minute. I'm just going to throw together an icon. Drop shadow. Yes. Done. Level 5 badge. Going to quickly upload it. Reach level 5. Alright, Mart or not be yoinking ideas from Steel Brain or Discord server suggestions, by the way. I mean, yeah, but I need funds, so funds. To be honest, I never needed any funds for my games. You only need a budget for a game if there's something you will need in the game that you cannot do, and you need to hire someone, or you are going to split the game's revenue. Currently, the only thing, me personally, like, I only need help in making music. I can't do that. Like, I've tried it once, but yeah, I'm not going to waste time on that. So, going to use the same logic function. Also, I need to add this to the game handler. Here. Check. Badge. Check wins badge. Player. Check levels. Levels badge. Going to work the same way, except level badges. Since I only have one, asset ID. Level value then level badges. Yes, and I need to add this in the XP level module. So here, level up, I need this module, badge handler module. So level up, add it at the end, module that check levels badge player. That's it. Carry level badge, yes. Probably should add more, a bit more. Going to make like 3 more. Color overlay, yes. So let's say level 10, or no, level, yeah, level 10. A bit smaller. Then, I don't know, level 30. And level 10 badge. level 30 badge. Level 30 badge. And yes, that's all I'm going to add for now. So level 10 badge, I don't know what the name should be. Getting somewhere, reach level 10. Level 69 badge. Maybe. The problem is that there are 30 levels in the game currently. Level 30. You level 30. You like the game, huh? Yeah, that's going to be a great name. So create badge. We are going to add it here. Level 10, 30. And with this, paste it here. Copy this, paste it here. And in the lobby, I could actually add this module to like run a check when someone joins, just to make sure that they will get the badge. I'm going to switch the screen there. Copy this first. Paste it here until nice. So here in the data init, and what we are going to do is we are just going to badge handler, going to make this local function, this one too, and function module dot check layer badges. Layer and check wins badge layer, check levels badge layer, date and data is loaded. Batch. Done. All right. I think that was it for this stream. I just saw you recommended, and you seem to know what you're doing. I'm a beginner. Well, thanks. Beginner tips. So the first tip that I learned during this stream is save your progress all the time, because today I closed the project without saving. Yeah, that's something that you shouldn't do. If you are trying to learn scripting, then just practice. That's how you're going to learn it. You can watch tutorials, that's going to help, but the most important thing is to just practice. If you're not going to put enough effort and time into practicing scripting, then you're not going to learn it. At least that's what I learned. I've been scripting for, I don't know, like almost maybe 3 years. No, like 2 years and like 5 months, or the 2.5 years. So yeah, you can get to a pretty decent level in a few years. Just you just need to put enough time and effort into it. Or are you just trying to learn maybe scripting or anything? If you are trying to learn, or if you're trying to become a solo dev, then you should first learn scripting, then modeling and building. Probably. Oh, just scripting, alright. Yeah, so for scripting, yeah, just watch tutorials. Like, me personally, I didn't really watch a lot of tutorials. I learned a lot from ChatGPT. If you're trying to learn how to script, then ChatGPT can help a lot. Like, how you can learn the most in script. So scripting is just logic. So basically, if you want to make something with coding, then you need to put the entire system. You need to make the entire system in your head, and then you need to recreate it with code. So if you know how it's going to work, like you have the concept of it, like how it's going to work, then you will have the idea like how to recreate it in code. You should probably start with making like just UI buttons, like make a UI, and like, I don't know, when you click it, a part in the workspace will change its color. Wait, I don't know what your level of scripting is currently. I can quickly show this, then I'm going to end the stream. So in scripting, all you do is play around with properties. Like most of the time when you are working with something that is an instance. So let's say there is a part in the workspace and you, I don't know. So you have, let's say, an idea that when you touch this part, it's going to turn red. So how do you, oops, I need to switch to studio. So how do you make it turn red? So first of all, you need to think of it. So like, you touch it, but who touches it? Is it a player? Is it another part? So when a player touches it, it's going to change its color. But how do you change its color? So in the properties, there is this thing called color. And you need to switch. Wait, let me show this with a script. It's going to be easier to explain that way. So the local part, I'm not going to do a whole scripting tutorial right now. I'm just going to show an example. So local part is the script is in the part, so the part is the script's parent. So script.parent. Part equals script.parent, but you can name the variable anything. You can name it, I don't know, brick, just something. So we are going to set up an event because uh, that's how something is going to do something. You need to set up an event, so which will start the function. So we are going to do is brick that touched connect function. So when the brick is touched, it's going to connect a function. So here in the function you see this bracket, and here you can add some info. So when a part gets touched, for example, it gives you some information about what touched it. Yes, brick that yes. So here in this bracket, so uh, part that touched. So, but this work, but this works with most of the functions. So when something connects a function, it usually has some information. So when a part is touched, it has an information in the function that like what touched it. So you add it here, part that touched. You can name this anything you want. So here we will do a check. So if part that touched dot parents find first child humanoid, then so what this will do is, let me just add a dummy. So let's say something touches it. The player's leg is touches it. So what we will do is we are going to check what exactly touched it. So part that parent, let's say the leg touched it or the hand, doesn't matter. That parent is the rig. So if the rig finds a humanoid in it, that means that it's a player or an NPC. So it finds a humanoid, that means it's a player. Then print a player touched a part. And then we are going to change the brick dot color equals color dot from RGB, and you can change this to whatever you want. Because so how you change the color is, so the brick is this part. So if you do brick, oops, brick, brick dot. So when you do this, in the brick you can access the properties here, everything. You can access the C frame, the position, and you can change it. So this is how you change something in a part. A part that, I don't know, here you can see material equals. So what will the material be? Material equals enum.material.neon. So when a player touches it, it's going to turn yellow, this yellowish green, and the material will be neon. So yeah, hope this helps, this tutorial. Yeah. Anyways, that was this for the stream. Yes, tutorial. So I actually have a tutorials channel, but it's not too in-depth. I can link it here. This is I have a tutorials channel, but it's not too in-depth. And basically, I didn't really explain that much in the tutorial video. Yeah, it's a simple gun system. So, anyways, thanks everyone for being here today in the stream. We made some great progress. I don't know when the next stream is going to be. Probably I want to do another stream before the game releases. So like maybe next week, the week after. Yeah. So anyways, thanks everyone for being here. 10 out of 10 stream. Thanks. I'm just doing my job, you know? So, yeah. Bye bye.